wanted a space where we can relax and unwind as a family, so we decided to redo our backyard, and I gotta say, I love how it turned out. So we went with our friends at Pool Supplies Canada. What's really great about them is they have 200,000 square feet of fully stocked warehouse. You either phone, or what you can do is you can go on their websites. So that's exactly what we did. We went on their website, we're sitting on the sofa in our pajamas, we picked out our pool, we picked out our spa, we ordered it and it got shipped right to our house. We got this amazing pool. It's an 18 by 33, it's an above ground element pool. And what's great about it is that during winter, you don't actually have to fully take it down. You can literally drain it a little bit, winterize it, and away you go in the spring, you open it back up. So I think that's a great idea. So when it came to building the entire deck, I wanted to have two different areas. I wanted to have our family time, but I also wanted to make sure that we have a hot tub so that we can relax and unwind at the end of the day. So we went with Fantasy Spas, which is another line that Pool Supplies Canada carries. And what I like about it is it's a plug and play. So if you've ever been in the market for a hot tub, you know that there can be a little complicated where you have to bring in an electrician, get some special wiring done. But you know what? I don't have any patience for that. So I gotta say, I really love this because I got the hot tub, I got to fill it, plug it in, and all of a sudden I could use it. So I love this. We created this little area where it's a little bit more intimate. It feels almost like, at night where you're in a whole different area. And we have kids, you have to have that because, you can't really go anywhere. They're stuck there. So you may as well have somewhere in your backyard where you can go. So what I love about it too is we have this amazing area in front of the pool where we have these loungers where Mandy can lounge and bask in the sun while reading a book. And there's chairs there where, we can have a glass of wine or have a beer and just, enjoy the sun. There's also this other area here at the bottom of the deck that I wanted to have kind of like, instead of just starting with steps, we wanted to have more of a platform. So again, it gave us the opportunity to have another sitting area here. So this sitting area is very good because a lot of times, as the kids grow older, when they get into the teenage years, they don't necessarily want to spend time with you. But there's only a certain amount of space in the backyard. So you gotta say, go to your end of the deck, I'll go to my end of the deck, and then, maybe we'll come together for supper, right? So we have this other area here that's really great. There's another sitting area. So when you look at it as a whole, there's lots of room for everybody. There's room to entertain. Great products from Pool Supplies Canada. What do you think? I absolutely love this.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.